Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back to Uncle Leo's Story Time. Today's story is called We Are All Bears. You know, boys and girls, when you look around the world, you see all different kinds of people, right? You see tall people and short people. You see girls and boys. You see people with red hair and blonde hair, blue eyes and brown eyes. You see people that are different, but they're all people. Let's listen to this story and see something about bears. I am a black bear, says a big black bear. I live in Canada. I am a grizzly bear. I am brown, says another. I live in Canada too. I am a panda bear. I live in China, says a black and white bear. I am a koala bear from Australia, says a little gray bear. Wow, there are different kinds of bears living all over the world, but they are all part of one big family.